Stage to record a video. Fiber Esteban Meneses, English 2. I am Fiber Esteban Meneses. I have studied agronomy in the United States. Since 28, I have lived in Pitarito in the South rural since I was a child. I have been in this city for 22 years. I have enjoyed all the landscapes and the river and mountains in this city. I am united with Paola Hernandez. I have been relation for 2 years, since 29 with her. I had worked in the farms for 10 years. I like movies much. I have watched bad and good movies. The best movie I have seen is Bad, and worst movie I have seen is City of Good. I had good experiences traveling. I have traveled to Medellin, Bogota, and Caquetá. These three places have impacted to positively for you beautiful places.